Technical indicators and oscillators. Technical indicators are chart analysis instruments that forecast a future price movement based on a mathematical calculation of an instrument's historical price or volume. An indicator itself does not give signals when to buy or sell an instrument, but by being plotted on a chart, it can tell you where the price might go soon. Some of the more well-known indicators are moving average, exponential moving average, and Bollinger Bands. Oscillating indicators or oscillators are non-trend indicators and are mainly used when the market is not showing any certain upward or downward trend. The main use of these indicators is to show whether the current price is overbought or oversold. Some of the most used oscillators are the RSI indicator and the MACD. Always use at least 2 or 3 indicators and oscillators in your strategy to forecast the future price move.